hand sanitizer হলো out of stock হয়েছে
because of coronavirus, or also known as COVID-19.
So আমরা আজকে তোমরা দেখাবো কেমনে বানাইতে.
So if you're not from Bangladesh or you do not know Bengali, basically what she means is, since coronavirus is out, we're gonna show you guys how to make hand sanitizer. So there's only 2 ingredients that you need.
আর এখন থেকে আমার সেই বানানো ঘি আপনি পাবেন আপনার রান্নাঘরে। আমার তৈরি এই ঘি ঝটপট সিম্পল মেনুকে শাহী করে দিবে খুব সহজেই, কারণ রান্না তো সহজই হওয়া উচিত, তাই না? সম্পূর্ণভাবে আমেরিকায় প্রস্তুতকৃত এবং প্যাকেটজাতকৃত 100% খাঁটি এই ঘি এখন পাওয়া যাচ্ছে আমেরিকার বিভিন্ন শহরের বড় বড় দোকানগুলোতে, এবং সেই সাথে www.selina'sUSA.com এবং eBay এবং অ্যামাজনেও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে। যেইভাবে আপনাদের সুবিধা হয় সেইভাবেই ঘরে নিয়ে আসুন সেলিনাস ঘি।
You need aloe vera,
gel বা blend,
rubbing alcohol. Anyways, so some places there aren't any gel, but there is plants, you know, the aloe vera plant. You can cut that, and then take off the green part, and then mash it up and make gel. So yeah. So what you want to do, first get your container.
তোমার container now.
Okay. And pour some rubbing alcohol in.
Rubbing alcohol ভিতরে দাও.
Only a little bit. একটু দাও. More. Okay, so like about this much. এইটার পরে aloe vera দাও. And do it and put aloe vera gel until it's like a jelly substance. So aloe vera gel দাও না plant দাও until jelly substance হয়.
Jelly মতন হয়. পয়সা খেতে.
এইটার পরে mix করো. So I'll mix first and then okay. So খালি mix করো. Mix it.
Add more. Yeah.
So
aloe vera gel.
We like put aloe vera gel, and it's not really jelly like yet. আমরা aloe vera gel দিছি, and খালি
jelly.
Yeah, jelly not like it's like really watery. অনেক পানি liquidy. Pani. If you can't understand us, we're sorry because we're trying our best to speak Bangla.
অনেক পানির মতন. আমরা আরো দিছি jelly হইতে.
Oh, and if there's any professional hand sanitizer mixers or like,
doctors,
doctor hand sanitizer makers or like any professionals here, please validate this video if this is true, or if it's not true, please comment down below for the viewers to like know. So
they don't even have to be a hand sanitizer maker.
Yeah, if you just know that this isn't how you make hand sanitizer and this isn't correct, then
please let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments, because we're just getting this from a video or like a website. Interesting. So it's not really. Do you think this is jelly-like?
Not really. Okay. That's more.
Yeah, we need to add just a little bit more.
Yeah. Add it until you like the consistency. And add koro tomi eat like koro.
And if it's a little bit too jelly-like, then you should add more alcohol.
Yeah. Rubbing alcohol,
Obviously.
and তুমি অনেক বানাইতে পারবা আমাদের just অনেক alcohol নাই. And so if you didn't understand what I said you can make like as much as you want. We're just not making a lot because we don't have a lot of alcohol.
Okay, so we'll show you how it looks. Basically, it's really jelly-like.
অনেক jelly হইছে.
Yeah, like jelly moton. And this isn't all. It's not done yet. So we need to put it in the fridge for a few minutes. So follow me. Okay, I'm putting it all to one side. Okay, so I'm gonna try what's on the fork first. It smells like real hand sanitizer. Try it. Let's show Ma.
Oh, এটা হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার বানাইছো?
Yeah.
Oh, looks nice. সুন্দর স্মেল করে। আসলেও তো বাপ্পি একদম হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার মতো স্মেল।
বাবারে দাও.
We hope you enjoyed our hand sanitizer video, and please try it out because it's genuine.
And again, it works with the leaf plant. Just mush it up and it makes gel.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, and keep watching Selina's Clipboard.
Who I will be every day.